This video is going to show you the operation of ASM925 for measuring wet dynamic coefficient of friction. Static coefficient of friction tells how much force is required to initiate a slip. Dynamic coefficient shows the amount of force required to maintain a body in horizontal motion. DCoF tells you how far you will continue to slide when a slip does occur, and you hope surface to have a high DCoF value as your chance of recovery is far greater than a surface with a low DCoF. With ASM925, DCoF of following materials, bathtubs, stairs, and ramps can be measured. During measurement, the meter's SBR sensor foot instead of the meter itself moves. Now, let's look at the meter. There are two handles for users to press the meter down for the SBR test foot to touch the testing surface. Here is the SD card slot for saving data. Once the test foot touches the testing surface, the test foot is pulled internally. These are the two stoppers for the meter to be depressed to the same position each time. Get a test foot from the storage container. Gently sand the SBR material by dragging it across the sandpaper twice. Rotate it by 90 degrees and repeat for the remaining 3 directions. This sanding procedure is necessary only if the foot is dirty or shiny. Clean off sanding residue by brushing and spraying. Let the test foot sit in SLS solution applied on the reference surface for 5 minutes. Ensure the meter is switched off. Then install the test foot by gently screwing it into the slot opening on the bottom of the meter. Put the meter onto the reference surface with 4 × 8 cm square SLS solution. Line the meter up over the solution by using the black lines on the side of the meter for showing the testing area. For zero calibration, switch on the meter and press 1 to continue. Press 0 for a zero calibration run. Press 1 to start the forward and backward travel of the test foot in the air. This travel spreads the SLS solution over the test foot travel area. Then, zero calibration is done. For the reference surface track, press 1 to select single pass test. Press 1 to start and press 1 to accept location number. Press 1 to continue and accept one number. Push the meter down with the handles, then release the meter when lift meter is displayed. If the DCoF value is not within the expected range of 0.13 to 0.19, or if the foot is newly sanded, repeat single pass test by pressing C and then 1. When the DCoF value is acceptable, press C and then 2. Press 4 to select 4 passes test for the flat surface under investigation. Make the testing surface wet with SLS 5 minutes in advance. Set the meter at 0 degrees. Press 1 twice to start and accept location number. Press 1 to accept one number. Then push and lift the meter according to the display. Press D to save data, and then 1 to confirm SD card in slot. When the data is saved, press 1 to continue. With the meter set at 90 degrees, press 1 to start the measurement in this direction, and follow the display prompts. Repeat the measurement for 180 degree and 270 degree. For the investigation of a ramp's friction, we need to measure the DCoF values for up the slope, down the slope, and perpendicular to the slope. For the up-slope test, put the right handle of the meter at the uphill side. Repeat the zero calibration at this position. When zero calibration is completed, press 1 to select single pass test for going into your testing. When the up-slope measurement is done, turn the meter around by 180 degrees for the down-slope test. At this position, repeat the zero calibration and the single pass test. For the perpendicular to slope test, put the meter across the slope and repeat zero calibration as well as single pass test again. Turn the meter around by 180 degrees for the other direction of the perpendicular to slope test.